Cost of plowing a field at rupees 8 per square meters is rupees 1872. If the breadth of the field is 8 meters, then its length is see. If I spend rupees 8, I plow 1 square meter. Now if I spend rupees 1872, then I will plow 1872 upon 8. This is similar to the logic of 1 mango equals to rupees 8. So if I have rupees 72, how many mangoes can I buy? 72 divided by 8 equals to 9. Similarly, I am having 1872. So how much field can I plow? 1872 upon 8. So I get 230 per square meter. This is the area now. Now we know the breadth. We have to find out the length. So area equals to 234 equals to L into 8. Length into breadth. So L we want to find out. 8 we know. So L equals to 234 upon 8 equals to 29.25. Divide